జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. సౌదర్శన్నుజ్జుహానా దిశి విదిశ తిరస్కృత్య సావిత్రమర్చిషీ బాహ్యా బాహ్యాంధకార క్షతజగదగదంకార భూమ్నా స్వధామ్నా దోఃఖర్జూదూరగర్జద్విబుధరిపువధూకంఠవైకల్యకల్యా జ్వాలాజాజ్వల్యమానా వితరతు భవతాం vipsayabhipsitani. This is the first sloka of Sudarshana Shataka. The meaning of this sloka is the Sudarshana flames called as a Jajvalyam were incredible, powerful, and could defeat even the most arrogant demons. When Sudarshana's rays hit the battlefield, they brought complete destructions to the evil force. The divine light did not just chase away physical darkness, but also the inner darkness of ignorance, guiding people towards enlightenment. The shloka of Sudarshana Swami reminds us that even in difficult times, divine power can illuminate the path to liberation, fulfilling our deepest desires if we seek it with devotion. The key points are: Sudarshana Swami light us unmatched and symbolize ultimate divine power. His light displays both physical and inner darkness. The shloka of Sudarshana Swami inspire us to seek divine power for guidance and liberation. Jai Shriman Narayana.